Hello everyone, I'm Miss Jordy. Thank you for joining me for today's Crafternoon. September 30th is National Hot Mulled Cider Day, and to celebrate, I'm going to show you how to make these aromatic mulling spice sachets, which make great gifts. You'll need cinnamon sticks, whole allspice, whole cloves, pure vanilla extract, cheesecloth, and kitchen twine, or tea filter bags, which I prefer over the cheesecloth. If using cheesecloth, cut a 4-inch by 6-inch piece of cheesecloth and then add 1 cinnamon stick broken in half, 2 whole cloves, and 2 whole allspice berries to the middle of the cloth. Then fold the longer sides of the cloth together and then fold the shorter sides of the cloth together and twist. Then take your kitchen twine and cut a piece of it and secure the sachet tightly. Another option is to use a tea filter bag to make your sachet. As with the cheesecloth method, you'll need to add 1 cinnamon stick broken in half, 2 whole cloves, and 2 whole allspice berries. Once you've added them, you'll want to tie the drawstring tightly. To make mulled apple cider, place a spice sachet in a small saucepan. Then add 2 cups of apple cider. Then simmer over medium heat 10 to 15 minutes or until fragrant. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract to your saucepan and stir. Now take out your sachet and then discard. Now it's time to enjoy your mulled apple cider. You can add slices of orange or lemon if you'd like. One gift idea is to add several sachets into a jar and then add the mulling directions to the gift tag. You can dress it up by adding a beautiful bow to your jar. Another gift idea is to add crinkle paper or plastic Easter basket grass to a mug about halfway and add several sachets on top. Then place your mug in the middle of tulle netting like I'm using, or cellophane gift wrapping paper, or transparent packing wrap. Then tie the top with a beautiful bow. Once you've secured the top of your gift with your bow, then add your gift tag with mulling directions to your bow as well. Once you've attached your gift tag with mulling directions, then cut off the extra tulle netting or plastic wrap from the top of your gift wrapping. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make this craft. Until next time, bye bye.